Nothing I do is for white men. Nothing. Nothing I do. I just wanted to share that as people continue to start following me, I get very excited when I see people with pride flags and trans flags and non-binary flags and Black Lives Matter flags. And nothing I do is for white men. Nothing I do is intended for a white man to be the audience I am shooting to captivate. So when I see non-white men and non-men following me, it just gets everything in me excited. I also really love fat people. I love fat people. If you're fat, it's very clear to me that you have an intellectual and experiential understanding of something that thin people do not. And I can fuck with that. Okay. Hey y'all, if you haven't seen my last video, I encourage you to go watch my last video. I tagged a couple things in there along the lines of Black Lives Mattering and, LGBTQIA plus, pro stuff, pro fat, pro disabled, and it feels like the internet doesn't like that. Because the internet is racist and misogynist and ableist and transphobic and homophobic and xenophobic, and it's unacceptable. So I feel like they don't show people my videos when I'm talking about those things, and so that's why I'm on here boosting my last video. Just trying to figure out how all this shit works. I am a elder millennial, y'all. So yeah, watch my last video, and Black women have been fighting for the liberation of all of us since the inception of this godforsaken place.
Well. Okie dokie. You know what? I get so excited when none silly people follow me. Yeah, I get so excited when none silly loony people follow me. What in the world? I get excited when non-white man follow me. What is wrong with these people? What? Oh man. This is something. Oh, this is something else.